Hi everyone, it's Mark from Coffee Break Languages. I'm doing this here on YouTube, but also on Instagram. Hello Instagram. And basically what you are joining me for is a very special moment, because what we have here are our new books. This is the very first advanced orders of our new Coffee Break books, the 50 Coffee Break series. And the idea of this series is that it gives you the chance to do a little bit of language learning on a regular basis. We've put together 50 coffee breaks for you in 5-minute, 10-minute and 15-minute sections. And you can use our books in French, German, Spanish and Italian to improve your languages. And I am about to open them and you are going to join me for this moment. So are we ready? Here goes. I'm quite nervous, I have to say. Here goes. No one has seen these, the official books. So here we go. Let's see what they look like. Here they are, here they are, here they are. So we have the Spanish. Ooh, they look good. Let's have a look at this and see how the light catches them. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, that's the Spanish book. We have got a German book. This is 50 German coffee breaks. Let's see what else we've got. We have got 50 French coffee breaks. And somewhere in here we should have 50 Italian coffee breaks. Let's see where it is. There we have 50 Italian coffee breaks. I love this. This is so exciting to see exactly how it looks. Close up here. Let's see. There we go. 50 Italian coffee breaks. So let's have a look at these. I'm going to put this over here so that we can get a closer look at these. Oh, they look so good. I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Hopefully that will come into focus. There we go. 50 French, 50 German, 50 Italian, 50 Spanish coffee breaks. Let's see what they look like. So, transform your downtime into do time. What if learning a language could be the most enjoyable part of your day? Well, I think if I open this up here, you'll be able to see this. Yeah, there we are. It's all looking good. Tu veux un café? Fancy a coffee? This book is designed to make it easy for you to learn just a little bit of Italian every single time you take a coffee break. This looks fantastic. How to use the book, so an explanation of how to use the book, the types of activities in the book, and all of this. And then we have our 5-minute coffee breaks. So the 5-minute coffee breaks are just quick activities, and you've got a little checklist there, so you can check the ones off that you've completed. And then this first one's about weather. And there's space for you to write your answers, so it's a great way to practice. All you need to do is take your book with you when you go out. So working through all of these exercises, there's some writing exercises. Here we've got something about a guided translation. So this is it's an expression, a quote from Enzo Ferrari. Hobby passatempi. So these are all the 5-minute coffee breaks, just a little exercise to keep you busy for your coffee break. And then we've got the answers there, and you can see that also. I don't know whether you'll be able to see this. Let me show this here. I don't know whether that's going to work. There we go. So the answer sections are in grey, so you can quickly flick to the answer section and find out if you've done well in your book, in the exercise. So there are 10-minute coffee breaks, and then there are 15-minute coffee breaks. And in the answer section, I should also say there's explanations as to where you might have gone wrong, where you might have gone right, and so on. And then a 15-minute coffee break section there with lots of fantastic exercises and challenges and activities for you to work your way through. And then at the end, we include a section all about exactly where you can find more information about this, which episode of Coffee Break Italian, in this case, looks at, for example, describing people or daily routine, gender of nouns, the imperative, and so on. So there we have it, 50 Italian coffee breaks. Let's take a look at the French book. Here's the French book. There we go. It's coming into focus. 50 French coffee breaks. So same idea. We've got, oh, there's me. An introduction, the importance of practice. So you have our 5-minute coffee breaks. Again, a nice checklist that you can tick things off as you do them. So this one, quand les poules auront des dents, when chickens will have teeth. I'll let you wait until you've got the book till you find out what that means. So you've got similar kind of activities here. All good. And then our 10-minute coffee breaks. So you've got sections about famous French speakers, for example. This is about Charles de Gaulle. What else do we have? We've got a translation challenge and défi de traduction. And then the answer section again. And then we have our 15-minute coffee breaks. So guided writing and grammar focus. So this one's looking at past participles and some irregular past participles in there too, as far as I can see. And of course the answers and our section at the end, which explains everything about our coffee break lessons. So that is 50 French coffee breaks. Let's look at 50 German coffee breaks. Ta-da! There we go. So 50 German coffee breaks. Once again, we've got our 5-minute activities here. So this is a mini grammar challenge. We have idiomatically speaking, etwas an die große Glocke hängen. So to hang something on the big bell. Interesting. I'll learn more about that. Say what you see, an activity where you're going to be describing a photo. What else do we have? Word builder challenges. And then we've got our 10-minute coffee breaks, looking at all sorts of anagrams. There's some anagrams, trying to work out different words that you'll see. Oh, telephone numbers written out. I don't know if you can see that, but you're actually writing out telephone numbers in figures based on the description of the numbers. Excellent practice on your numbers. There's a text about Hans Zimmer, one of my favourite composers. Film music, some fantastic film music from Hans Zimmer. What else do we have in our 15-minute coffee break? So das ist Martin. So Martin ist 29 Jahre alt und arbeitet bei der Stadtverwaltung in Hannover. So a text about describing people, and then your job is to do some description yourself. So a fantastic way to practice your German on your coffee break, depending on whether you have 5, 10 or 15 minutes available. And last but not least, our 50 Spanish coffee breaks. I love the way that the light catches the covers there. It looks cool. There's 50 Spanish coffee breaks up here. And let's have a look inside the book. So we've got our 5-minute activities here. So costar un ojo de la cara. It costs the eye of, or an eye of the face. We have... Oh, that's nice. Nunca es tarde para aprender. It's never too late to learn. So a guided translation of that idiom, or that saying. So grammar challenges, idiomatically speaking, guided translations, say what you see, lots of information there. And again, the answers with some guided translation suggestions and so on. And then our, what's this? This is the 10-minute coffee breaks. Famous Spanish speakers, reto de traducción, so a translation challenge. Then we've got another famous Spanish speaker, Juan Antonio Bayona, the Spanish film director there. And of course we've got some vocabulary too. And what else do we have? We have our 15-minute coffee breaks. Una particularidad del español. This is the reading focus. So you're doing some reading, talking about different aspects of Spanish language, el medio ambiente, vocabulary consolidation, and so on. So again, 50 Spanish coffee breaks that will help you build your Spanish, as we say, short activities to improve your Spanish 1 cup at a time. It is so great to see these books in the flesh, because we've been preparing these for a long, long time. We're so excited to be able to share these with you. The books will launch in June. They'll be available to purchase in June, and they are already available on pre-order. So you can pre-order your books, and we're going to be announcing some special giveaways related to the pre-order that will help you get your hands on some coffee breaks sooner, perhaps, than the beginning of June, when we actually launch the books and when they make it to shops all over the world. I wanted to share this moment with you today because I just got back from work. I saw this package here from Hachette, and it's so exciting to see the books in the flesh, our 50 coffee break series in French, Italian, Spanish and German, and there will be more languages in the future. So you can get your hands on these. Just go to coffeebreaklanguages.com/books for all the links you need. Thank you for joining me, and we can't wait for you to enjoy your 50 coffee breaks.